Here are the results for Bayesian optimization, where now we've done 500 simulations of nanowires and nanocones. This is just for the thin film, varying the thickness. These are the nanowires. You can see the Pareto efficient frontier in black. And then here are the nanocones. These are the three structures plotted together. This film in blue, the nanowire array in green. See, the two are fairly comparable. And the nanocone, which is the best, has the lowest 0 degree solar reflection and 65-degree solar reflection. In purple here, you can see that of bare glass, and the reflection is much higher than the other structures that are shown. This project with SigOpt demonstrated how we can integrate Bayesian optimization with first principle electrodynamic simulations and studying various structures and trying to perform multi-objective optimization and minimize reflection both at 0 degrees and high angle, and also over a wide variety of wavelengths.